Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UWT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, the bloodshed continues, so updates need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning, get rid of that line right there. Sure, that level still pertains. It's just not relevant right now. And from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing any confusion or clutter. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that does need to be made comes about just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 20 cents is going to be one of the near-term levels of resistance if there is any sort of continued bounce. And I say the word continued because you got to give credit where credit's due. From where the price was at its lows to where it ultimately closed, I mean, the price showed some signs of progress. Now, of course, there's still a whole lot more work that needs to be done. But the point here being, the price moving upwards is much different than had I'm, sitting here talking about a chart where the price is just doing this and doing this and doing this. So at least the price is showing some signs of strength. And like I said, if that, bounce continues, then 20 cents is going to be that first key level to watch closely. If the price can break up above there, then the next key overarching level, which I've talked about time and time again, is that 50 period moving average, the purple line, which you can see right there. Classic example, acting as resistance. Current value of that is at 21 cents. As far as levels of support are concerned, the ideal level that you want to see hold strong, that's going to make this all look the best, is that 18-cent mark. If 18 cents can hold, I mean, there's no such thing as a guarantee or anything like that in the market, but especially if it's a high volume break to the downside of 18, then at that point, I would look for the price to at least go down to 17 cents, if not even lower than that. So keep an eye on those levels going forward, but from the technical point of view, these three levels are going to be very, very important going into next week, but you got to think this thing's got at least one more solid bounce left in it, so we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.